Hey everybody! I want to make another painting like this because it's so cool. So I already have the black on the canvas. Blah, couldn't think of the word. So here's the other one I did. So this pouring acrylic does not level out like my paint does. So you can see like I had squeezed a little bit to fill in spots, and you can see it. So that is one downfall, the only downfall so far that I've found with it. And then this is my mallet smash that use both my paints and the pouring acrylics. So let's get to this one. And this one I want to put, I have a frame for it. It's a 16 by 20. And there is a frame I want to put in it. Put it in. Oh, I see something. Get my gloves on. Where's the other thing? There it is. Alrighty. So, I've got neon pink. There we go. Forest green. Neon orange, which I'm not gonna, I'll put right there. White. And blue. Alrighty. Kind of like my slice and swipes. So this is just regular Arteza black paint for the negative space, mixed with Floetrol and water. Get it off the side a little bit. Since it's my black paint, it is a little thinner, so it is easier to tilt, which is nice. Because I can't seem to tilt the other stuff. Hang on, I'm going to do a hard tilt to get that orange off there. Pink. It's an old-fashioned frame, and I thought painting it white kind of be a cool, you know, the modern painting and then the antique frame. Thought that would look cool. I'm trying to decide if I should put more white in here though. You know, I may actually splatter white once it is dry. Because I kind of like this how it is, but I think some splattered white would be way cool. Yeah, I think I would really like the splattered white. I'll show you kind of what I'm talking about. Okay. For starters, this is the frame, so it's an old frame. But as for the splattered white and the white frame, something kind of like this, which my husband is like, that's so weird, but I love it. So we've got that, and then I think the white will look good. It's real hard to show this because of all of the reflection. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.